Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about Camperjam 2024 or Camperjam 15. Tickets are on sale, you can go on the website, have a look at those. So we've been going there for many a year now to Camperjam. We have a thoroughly good weekend, it's really good. Big family event that's, well, lots of camping fields that's involved in there. So if you've been there before, pop a comment back below, let people know how good it is, because it is a really good weekend. We're going to be there all weekend as we always are. We're going to have our stand as normal. If you've seen us, a lot of people come and say hello while we're there. I'll be there all weekend. So it's the 5th to the 7th of July, those are the dates. That's Friday through to Sunday. And there's a couple of different options as well. So you've got early camping from Thursday, believe it or not. We're actually on site from Wednesday, so a bit of a long a long time that we're there for. But basically for you can, the earliest, you can get an early camping pass. So you can do Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so those that's in there. Alternatively, you can come, the majority of people come on Friday, so they're there for Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the days that they're there. And then there's also day passes as well, so you can come in just for the day on Saturday and just for the day on Sunday. We're gearing up and getting ourselves ready for the big event, because it's our one big event of the year that we do, that we bring all the vehicles we can do. So for example, as always, we'll be bringing a Grand California. Last year we had a 600, the year before we had a 600 and a 680, and we'll always try and bring both. We'll see how we get on this year that's in there, but we're going to be bringing the ID Buzz range with us, so we can have a look at these, because we're going to be talking about electric while we're there. So if you want to know about electric vehicles and you're going to Camperjam, don't be afraid to come and ask us. Don't forget the ID Buzz California. I haven't got a lot of information on it, but that is going to be coming. So we're going to have the ID Buzz range that's in there. Obviously we'll have the Ocean, T6.1 Ocean. It's worth mentioning we've had the world launch now of the new California, so the T7 California. That was back on the 7th of May, so that's been around there. There's plenty of content and things on that. So we haven't actually seen the vehicle. I've seen the prototype, the concept vehicle at Dusseldorf, but I've not seen it since. So obviously when we do get to see that, we'll bring you that information. We will not be having one of those vehicles with us for Camperjam, because it's obviously they're going on sale in June, but I don't expect us to have one that's there, because I don't think they'll be in the UK until later on. But what we will have is a Multivan that's there. So we'll have the Multivan, which is what that vehicle is based on, so we can get a good idea and a good feel of how that goes as well. We'll be taking the Amarok with us, so the pickup truck, the Volkswagen Amarok. We'll have one of those there as well, and everything, basically any vehicle that's in the commercial range, we will be taking with us, so you can check out and have a look at all those vehicles. So as I said, Camperjam, it's the 5th to the 7th. If you're looking at our range, come and check us out, come and say hello. We're going to be there all weekend. I know last year we took a panel van with us, which we could do a conversion on, to give you an idea what that looked inside as well, and we'll probably do the same thing again. We've got quite a large stand that so as I said, we'll definitely have an Ocean with us behind me on here. We'll see whether we've got some beaches and other variations. By the time we get to Camperjam, there's still going to be plenty of these vehicles available, which is why we're going to have them with us. So if you are coming, come and check us out, come and say hello, and we'll hopefully see a lot of you there.